Hello, today we're going to do a review on some items that I got today and last week. So here we go. The first one is some pink nails. I don't really like pink. I'm not a girly girl, but I said, you know what, let me try it and see how it goes. So that's my first one from last week. And this one, the acrylic liquid. On the other video that I done, which I forgot to put up and accidentally delete it, I was saying that I was really upset with getting this. I saw on eBay, I saw it for £13, but they had a picture with a bigger bottle. So when I got it, I thought, raw, yeah, that's a good ad. That's, a good price. When I got it, it was this. And I'm really upset. And it looks like the person just got some but one short some. So I'm not really impressed with that. The next one is these. These are, I saw everyone on YouTube using this. I have never used it before, so I said let me try it out. These are some wipes, like cotton bud, like, but they're on clean film. Basically, you get the nail varnish remover, you put it on, that little white part there, you put it over your finger and you wrap it and you leave it for a couple seconds, and then you remove it and then the nail varnish can come off your finger. Haven't used it as yet. This is the next one from last week. This is just some buffering blocks. I had some, but I probably have to get back some other ones because I think these are a little bit flimsy and they're not hard enough. So I'll probably have to get back some more. I saw some on eBay. It's like a double-sided one, so I'll probably get those. Oh, sorry, and with this, it comes with a little thing to pick it up with. Let me say. And then today items are, don't know what they are, so you're gonna be seeing it with me. Ooh. There are some Hello Kitty nails. My daughter saw this and she went crazy for it, so I said let me, get it. Even though I'm not gonna put it on her hand, they were going on my fingers. Yeah, so that's what I got. That's the first one, sorry. And that's the next, what's the thing called? It's the next one to this. I got this first, but it came, I ordered it about 3 weeks ago and it just came now. And that one, so they're the same thing, but I got this first, and because I saw this, as I said, on eBay and I thought it was a bigger bottle, I got it, but I'm not really impressed. But as I started to be going off the topic, but yeah, that's it. The acrylic liquid, see, I got the name. Next one is some bits that goes on your nails. It's got apple, lemon, flowers, got pineapple. So it's the little bits that go on your nails. I don't know what this is. And the next one, is some glitter gold leaf. I ordered this about less than a week ago, I think a week ago. I saw them and I said, you know what, I have to get these. I don't know what style I'm gonna do with these, but when I'm doing the style, I shall be making a video with these gold leaf. Yeah, that's the next one. Back to the other ones, sorry. And these are the same thing as these, but they got stars in it, a bit of diamante, some little flowers, butterfly, apples. So it's the same thing as this. It's got the apples and the pineapples and the cherries thing, but this one is mixed with all different kind of stuff in there. And this one, if I can open it, this one is some glitter, some blue glitter. I don't know what to say about this, but I got this blue glitter because I've got like the normal glitter, so I wanted to get a different colors, so I got this one. It's really nice. I shall be making a video with, you know, my blue and my gold, so you will see how it comes out. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but you will see when I do the video. Okay, these are not mine. And the next and finally, oh no, before I open this, I've got a one from last week. I saw my friends with this and I really liked it, and I was looking for it for a while now and I couldn't find it, and end up getting it now. So yeah. And this is my family. No, there's a next one. Okay. These stuff is some. Sorry, let me open it and show you. Coming out. What? Okay. I don't know. It's I think I don't know what it is really. I saw it in YouTube. I saw enough people that's into nails and doing nails. They got this. But I got it because I see them with it. I don't know what it meant to do. I've got to do some research on this. But I think it's to design on your nails. Like if you want patterns and stuff, you put it on in the shape that you want, and you just put the nail varnish in that. You know? I don't really know what it's for. I just got it. So I should be doing some research on what I need to do with this, because I just got it. Can't see everyone with it. And my finally and last one. Here we go. And this, you all know what this is, in it. This is for the nail stuff. That's the nail storage for the nails. So that's it. Thank you guys for listening to my YouTube video. If you have any comments, please like and subscribe, and any comments leave it at the bottom. Thank you. Bye.